Hey,
Hey,
it's two
it's two
boys in
boys in
prayer.
prayer.
Intro's always off.
We never know when each other's starting.
It is really cold outside right now. We are expecting something called flash freeze. Whatever snow that we had that melted, it's going to refreeze, and the roads are going to get really bad, really slippery, and it's either snowing or like sleet. I
Sleet
don't know what it
or
is.
freezing rain. Well, I guess
Might be a
it's
mix of both, but let me see if I can show you if I turn my torch on. We have the snow from earlier this week, and then we got these little like pellets of stuff.
This table is icy already.
Is it?
See here, that's on my gloves.
Yeah. They said wind gust up to 50 miles per hour, and the wind and ice, if there is any, could knock down tree limbs and do damage to power lines. Hopefully, we don't lose power. What the kitties?
What's happening over here?
You guys okay?
You gotta interrupt our vlog here.
All right. Well, our lights just flickered. I'm about to take some cookies we were making out of the oven. Oh, they look really good, actually. Wait. Look at that. They actually look really good. Uh, we made the dough before the weekend, and it's been in the freezer because it was too soft. All right. It is snowing so hard right now. Look at that. I don't even know if you can hear me or not. Oh my gosh. That is that is crazy. This is probably the most snow we've had. And it was literally clear like 2 minutes ago. Like when I just recorded that last clip was probably like I don't know 5 minutes ago. It wasn't snowing at all. I'm gonna check and make sure you guys can hear me. Ah, bro, that's cold. All right, I got my torch on. I don't know if you guys can see that a little bit better. Look at this table. It's like covered. And we also got some lightning in the area. I didn't hear the thunder. I got lightning alerts from my weather apps. Of course, my timer is going off. Okay, sorry, I had to go take some cookies out. Look at this. This is crazy. What? It's not even actually winter yet. And rainy snow. There was some in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan where we just went in a trip video a couple months ago. They were getting, I don't know how much they actually got, but they called for like 30 inches of snow. It's insane. And this is the most snow we've got this year so far. Well, actually, I don't know about January. Start winter time of year. It's not coming down as much, but this is actually really cool. Look at how big these snowflakes are. this this is crazy. It is so cold out here. Like, how deep is this? That's how deep that is already. I had to stick those cookies back in. I'm sure you saw me go back in there.
Okay. Wow. I've got my microphone on, so you might have just heard me turn it on at a random point. Wow. It's wow. Wow, the ground is covered already. Was this worse than this earlier?
Yeah, I got it on video.
It's already.
Look how deep this is. Look. That is pretty deep.
Man. Okay.
All right.
Oop.
Hey, can I see your phone for a second?
Yeah.
I know you just put it away.
Got my
You know
flash.
what, It's probably like, what is snow?
Yeah, what is this white cold stuff? Oh, lightning alert. Okay, look at this. Wow. Was this like it was earlier?
No, it was way more.
Okay, hi guys. It's crazy. I'm sure it was really bad earlier. I missed it because I was inside. But look at this. Look how like much snow is on everything. There's the mountain again. What? Are you confused? Like, what is this stuff? Where it's brighter at? You were? Okay, so I might have to cut that clip out. I was just showing the snow around. We just got put under another special weather statement. Gusty winds and snow showers. A mix of rain and snow showers will continue to mainly snow showers through the remainder of the evening. Strong wind gusts up to 40 to 55 miles per hour are also expected. In association with the strong cold front, the combination of snow and strong winds will create significantly reduced visibilities through midnight before heavier snow showers lift or shift off to the east. Light snow accumulations may also create some slick spots on roads. Motorists should be alert to the possibility of highly variable road conditions when traveling across the area. Temperatures will drop sharply overnight into the lower 20s, resulting in wind chills in single digits above zero. That is crazy.
It's gonna be cold. I'm gonna pause this real quick and show Kai the footage I recorded earlier. When I came
I
out
wish
here.
I saw that. I mean, it looks crazy. I wonder if it's going to happen again.
Okay, so sorry if the rest of the video sounds a little bit different than it did earlier. My microphone died, so I'm just recording with my phone microphone right now. So it might sound a little bit more windy and stuff. I think you can still see it's not as big of flakes as it was earlier, but it's starting to come back down. It's been probably like a half hour since we recorded last. Oh, they're getting big now.
Is it more than this last time?
Yeah, but it's coming back. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that well. It's really bright out here. Let me see if I can tell. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. I can turn up the exposure. There we go.
Wow.
Look at that. Holy cow.
Blizzard, what the?
I accidentally ended the recording. I should go put up my yard shoes. Hang on. Wow. That is a lot. Hey, can you record down there?
Okay.
Wow.
I can't tell if it's out of focus or not because there's so much happening.
Look at I can't. The yard is white.
Like I can't even. What's it look like on your screen, Vlog Inception?
Yeah. Whoa.
What's it look like on your screen?
You look
Oh my
creepy.
gosh. I look creepy.
Look at that snow. Oh my
Yes.
god. That is.
Wait, what do I look like?
He's just.
Wait, can I? I don't know if I can.
There's no way to tell.
Okay, yeah, this is crazy.
It's really windy. Guys, I'm going over to the other side of the yard. You want to stay over here? Or you want me to stay over here? You go over there.
I might go over there with you.
Alright, I'll stay over here. Wow. Our lights earlier flickered.
Power didn't go out. Glad it didn't. I just hope it doesn't.
This wind is. I don't know if we can really hear it over the camera, but it is blowing around. What the? Is that Blackberry? It's blowing around. Snow. This is crazy. I don't think we've had this much snow yet. We definitely haven't. This is probably 2 times as much. Well, maybe not. Probably about as much as we got within the last like week. Then in just like an hour, we have more than what we had.
Whoa! 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 Okay.
Let me guys see some thunder snow. Or hear it at least. Hear the lightning, you can't see thunder.
Okay.
Sorry if we're like really out of focus.
I know,
Just trying to focus on every little snowflake that goes by.
Okay. Look at my hand. Look. This is how my gloves look yellow. They're green. Look how much snow is on my arm here right now.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. That's how deep this is? I'm covered in snow. This is crazy. The video might be upside down. I can't tell. Oh, there's a dip right there. Is this what it looked like earlier? Kayla? Huh? Is this what it looked like earlier? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Is this worse than earlier? I think so. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so cold out here. I mean, look at this. That is hit my face. No. Oh. Okay. Whew. Sorry about that. I just dropped my phone. I caught it, but my hand slipped. The porch is covered. Look, remember how it looked when we came out here? This did not look like this. Alright guys, I'm ending it here. Alright, I'm going back out. I got gloves now. Not as wild as it was. But man, we got a lot of snow. You know, there's a lot when you get that sound of like packing the snow down. As you walk on it, this is that good oh gosh, I almost slipped. It's that good packing stuff. Oh gosh. This wind. Just kind of right here. Hey, remember, this is like part 2 to our vlogging in the snow video? Or is that what it was called? Filming in the snow. Filming in the snow, but this time it's at night. Is that ice? Why'd you touch it with your glove? Should have touched it with your hand. Took off my mask and it got all wet. So, don't worry, it's my face is cold. Last I checked, it said it was 33, but feels like 23. It's probably lowered by now. I checked that like 2 hours ago. I've been watching the radar since before recording, like in between recording clips. And, been crazy. Hey, remember when this how much snow we got? Remember earlier in the video? This was like probably, maybe not an hour. It was like the first thing I recorded. I was out here and I was digging through the snow. It filled it in and put a whole new layer on top. Well, I'm probably going to end this here. If you guys like our content, please consider subscribing. And if you guys want to see more weather-related videos on the channel, let us know in the comments on this video or any of the tornado videos. I have 2 other weather videos. Also, if another way that you guys can get into contact with us is we also have a Discord server that's linked in the description of the channel. We also have a Facebook group. All the servers and groups are just called 2 Boys and a Prayer. It's probably the only one that'll pop up. So they all have the same profiles on everything. So the profile pictures on Discord, Facebook. We have a Roblox group if you guys didn't know. BandLab. All of our profiles are the same, and the titles are the same. So you'll be able to tell which is us, if there are any other ones with 2 Boys and a Prayer as the name. I don't think there is, but just in case, look for the ones that look like our channel profile, and you'll find them there. We'll see you guys in the next video.